Titi any COVID-19. Na do danko ekufado. Omampani ebekasai. Na oka say COVID fee na yetua no airport no $150 no. Yate so about $50. Na no ekoma Ghana adehye Ghana ma. Ene ECOWAS for. Na okwa Abrokyire Ghana for bebree kuta foreign passport. Na yebisa the bray as some of their brain voices of their brain and they say ABB and a party by Rahum Ama by Ramo and your mope and Makoji foreign passport. Took you any or more Holland, any Germany. So 2 countries with it said the Oma and which or more dual citizenship and all. Ghana baby in the gate said Ghana need baby at me. Ne krum kraka no asaga manon de obetwe kuta ni mi nyina but sa krum mi no nkwan de ontimi kuta it is say bebre na kuta foreign passport no omo no so no on bedu airport ha on betu 50 ni bia na so betu 150 no to so ade say de say omampani ene health sector ministry no enti yebeko ahoma no so na yene unionom afate akasa na mefa voice a edikai ansa na bako ahoma no so ye maame bako atimkwa onum bremu be the wa and the say because ufi atima omampani so fa atim yentie no ye beko ahoma no so ye nua e wo so a wo hwa person kasa
atimkwa enum bremu ye pa chewu they say ye ba ye ne ye manu mo nana yesu nyina
Asempa94.7FM
we can say beto achim kusi na mefie atimkwa enum bremu sika hu nsuo pa na me president di ade a na me betena fie ne meso sa baby they say onana no nyina omo say holiday omo baba aba be hwe omo nana odi ade nipa nan ye onana na 150 be be ne aba yaka kwanti mfi we de yesewala adabraka se omo wo passport Ghana passport ni 250 dia ye besrew ni nyina obi kai wada Roma nti we de yesewala yesese ne waya ma fofo no onso ye ma yesa we de yesrew me nyina anya pepepe enso obi yeso enfi kwadwoba na so adwoba ni nyina ye baako yesrewala nti se yaka kwantu mu wada Roma na yenim so timiye na yenso nya me behira ye das
yo mune be man ayi kita Ghana pass no o de yebuo ye nuanom no mo so mo waje 50 mo so nyi 50 sa me de ma adwuna odom tim anu nso ma nya yen kasem because 150 de nyizo bra so 150 ukita nkwara me ensa na mienu ko ya he ibu ukita nkwara be esia no so pro no ba Ghana wala sha 150 ni pesa ya he ansa na akasa ne de ansa na lorry for baba tikiti twem na do be fie so wala ni ifie so go wo twa wo to de nende 150 de akopasa sankata nko oyedi ne pa ana me yenu anu so nyewo sore na kwaje passport no ibo na bibi nti na kwaje passport so nyeshi but wo bi so ECOWAS wa akade so ECOWAS akade ya nana anya Ghana furu nyeche na ECOWAS na
Asempa94.7
ombo yenu anu no oma yina yenyi 50 no wukete popo uye blonyo uye dio obi onyi 50 onyi so 50 to kwa 100 imagine ana Ghana so they be every day they no for more than 100 o manya yen fa ya ntum oye ni hina 50 hu le mutu wa atso katra no aja at least 40 to 30 kwa nya bed do be Ghana for nya be nya fie no kan me man ukuta Ghana passport ukuta European passport $50 period nya fa santina na ma no nkoso ne bia wo jiska dodo I want to go to my show once and I found what about what you in my watch and what's it. Miss Woodgan and was to us what the insurance was who say. No would demand abo. That's it. Ciao.
Ciao. Yanko all the way South Africa. Opening Mokwa Badoba as a Asempa94.7. Richard.
Hello. Richard was Germany, yes.
Richard was Germany, production developer to say Richard, dear Neko, most of the car, was 1 minute, the
kind 150 dollars and the dose. Now, first of all, Quaminia, I didn't think I take Ghana, not buying charge, not all use $2. I see this, and yes, currency using Ghana.
Open so okay, sir. Bomu free ho ba ya na see this no benya no he.
No, what do you say? Obviously, American Baha, you see, you Jobenya, you free no. I buy them from.
But so open Richard. That's who say currency no. And do baby. And ATM machine be and you. It's no open in the church and say, Mobile, Hana Muriana Musicano. But where the gateway, which you understand, Waba, which you know,
right
online, into the young question.
Young court issues. Oh, sir, Minia, $150. Ah, yeah, Ghana, Niba, or Bagana, and Queen Mood. Yes, sir. I might be Rebecca come to.
And say, Ghana for me, and Ghana for me, and Kuta a year foreign passport. I think you say the more foreign passports for them. No Kuta Ghana passport will be 50.
Yeah, but young say, Obi Oya Ghana, be about 99% of Ghanaians here to Kwano. Ye invest or Ghana. Inti some Ghana na be a bibinti, my being Germany passport. Na me Ghana, me mammy, you know, and me year come home. Let's support one committee under that. Me, I'm
yeah.
Inti Abano, so Timothy ECOWAS country, so Togo, and I said Benin or any West African state. $50 a year. Other than on farmer will be he said, a ban or $50 will be over Ghana via Wadia and Yaka or Moka. I think on when you understand them way now.
I mean, what can I say no? What can I say? It has to be open. Professor the last. I said, they don't media. You, the Dia Papa Richard, I see. So, I don't should not get Saba. Say, ECOWAS, a Nina, a Bano 15 years, and this will be a background 50 at least. And there's some pay for multi union said there and multimedia air Asempa94.7 so give me that enemy with the beer. The brain are almost so the air pass or Monty and car or tune in. She say multimedia yenya kasaya war in application obetini aqua download na what all the multimedia platforms nina also. It will also be called application store and I say Google Play Store. And now say any application a UBI store no, also be called My Joy Online, and I say adumonline.com, myjoyonline.com, and I say adumonline.com. No, I can download yen app no hono. Ubetinya anya yen TV, be radio, be podcast, be all the social media. Said the Facebook, said the minia bar Grace Etiha no more coach, or Tiha or coach, or dear to Facebook. We share my life our home. Sisi multimedia, ye DBR, ye. Yabasa kwa humano so na yenia for so akasa na yentie die yenia bako so kaye Frank into Frank.
Because say a friend Frank in team your Holland. No question ni bidimu ya kakra so me share nsema ekoso and then somewhere yet taste and na eka attend an annual Asempa aka a quania Ghana for woman on a abua money be in terms of remittances. $3.8 billion remittances from Ghanaians living abroad increased Ghana's GDP in 2018. World Bank latest migration and development brief has revealed that remittances from Ghanaians living abroad to Ghana
Asempa94.7
to $3.8 billion in 2018. I don't want to say, oh, first answer me, let's say, no question me. Say, yeah, you want man, get me a boa my Ghana GDP, et me a cosodia. Let's say, yes, so a feminine, your boa my nibi. Your one minor Nenkoso, and no than China, she a dania, one woman on the ACC Buwa, in your name being a big da. Says no question in you, ma, a binamo bib your wa, aircoba, what funny pa, what bow. This a year junior man who was happy so. Say a man of the calling, ye man of the coso. None you will be what say. Ye man also by junior, who say a woman on it, or by junior, who say yen to ye, boy, man. No question in it, it's a Daruma, is then Yenji Ghana for, say, which Amanonia Yetia, Peter, Omo nationality, dear. Nanso, Omonim say, which one, which Crata no book no ya, baby, I wo, the baby a woofy no baby away, baby a woofy. A Teresa, we are good nationality, if this ha or mine. Nti ya hadi mesere se na ebasa na empanifo aye atwayeja na ya beka mfinfin ye boa man wo kwan bi so na so empanifo aye yama nti yesere mo a $150 ne die eso nti yesere mo a se mo teso a mo fie ni na mo teso maye mo chew na ne empanifo yesere mo a mo so mo hwe se ye hwe niema mu ye hwe nkrata mu hwe niema ekoba mu se ya ye wa manane no ye bo man ni bebre na naso entwe kan bi on so fa so a obetini abo wo sa akon so da mo ase na mi onhyira mo da mo ase
we did the also for Stella make us free bedroom na mentiasio because we say yekuta nationality wo bedroom hanu say na mo party say wa kuta Ghana passport no wo ba be 250 na wa wukuta nationality no €150 ay $50 blah too much because omo ye no mayim ye te ha na ye nhye na so se Ghana kuro na ye papa ana Ghana kuro no se tu mpo papa bia gabra me nye so se nyina ye wa ha na bibia ba na se akwa asefo mumu yiyim akoka se we muntua 50 ne ye ntua $150 so saya de ba ye mo de yi betoto yi Belgiumfo ye yi sika ye den e de koyi na mo ye sa de we se no na yen kasa bibi mra enke se na ya de ehuru kwasoro yi na ehuru kwasoro a na baba abeto sa Abrokyire from Fesika nya den emra Ghana ya yekuta nationality na yerete ya no mweti baba ka address ye mfa scam boa wo Ghana montimi because obi ani wa sika na bu no so wa Abrokyire ha yerete ya Asempa94.7FM bia munya ne pepepepepe ba Ghana kuro no enkoso enu ntini ye nyina ye dona betra kuro ha ya je nationality yerete ya so ntino munya hu bibi no mani nyina anya pepepepepe na momo ya mo ho se mo yiyi mu dia ebedum lebe mu de baba to obi anfi mo because obi enu wa wahye sika no atoso wa Abrokyire ha no sei because mo nwene ye ho ya ye wa Abrokyire mo nwene ye ho e wo se ekuta nationality de but munya ye pepepepepe ko mi ne me ma ye nyire ekuta nationality mi kuru
Asempa94.7FM 94.7
me man no mo kuta nationality we be 250 mi so 250 too much e kese bibi ya ni yi sika ni de aboa Ghana ni asu yi de aboa na de mo ye de me de mi yi ye de ko ye no se nkese mu de bibi abeto ha mi hu number ko me pepe mi nfi mo because me hu se mo nwene ye ho e ko wa asefo mo nwene ye ho e wa Abrokyire ha no se too much nti bra o mo nte so no mo nya hu bibi Ghana aban na nado wo funa no ntun no bibia anya pepepe nana wotenkre ya nana wanyere no ho pa no mo nte so ne nyira ye so ye kwado se beba why nyame nhyira mo me da se ba bye
Essentially, you have for Frank, Tisa Frank, you call Kofi Bediako. Kofi, it's you.
It's Kofi Bediako, and I make us go to Germany. So, say, near I had been say, I was Germany, Holland. Rumham Rano and my inquiry double nationality. In this will be war, Canada, any Ghana passport, and also British, any Ghana pass. Into Ghana, and away Ghana pass, and that's about €50. No crop I could show woman say, I will see when say answer now do passport. About so be my shadiano. Now, I'm say a jina bibiso. Could be am pennies about a young banisa. Near bit my Astra banisa 150 so my. The mum say, me Ghana name cry German passport and then me cry Holland passport. Na me any person to mean
Asempa94.7FM
will be a Brunei will cry German passport. You don't make your 150 a minute. Nipa no bi enya adwen se se mra wo mu no mra bone na bibi anso woni mra enti se nye bibi pa na ehia se nkasa mra we no se bi wo fa wo ni wo busuafo nyina se bia mu tukwan se mra wo mu no ye mra bone enti so far as ayaje sa passport ni ekura ya mra no eni maye ne de wo me ensre no mo ntie so na fi ne to so bio mra pi no the way I attitude na quite to say your culture and your values edited here with you. Say, Emrani a besha will be a person in who free. So, Ukra German passport, our passport, which you call man be brave, so when you visa. And the advantage about a woman. And I say, Idiboa wɔ hɔ. Yɛba Ghana yɛgye visa yɛtua ebi a 100 over 100 euro. Obi so okura Ghana passport no. Ɔno nso in fact sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ebi a ɔkɔ America ne no ma ɔbɛbrɛ. Nti hɔ no so ɛno nso ɛnni mmoa no. Nti sɛ ɛba sɛ yɛhyɛ mmara na sɛ tem biara ɛpɛ sɛ yiyi mu na ɛkɔ yie ma yɛ ɛbɛyɛ adwene yɛntumi gye kyerɛ ɔman no. Nti wei mekasa mfɛntua mo aso aban ɛnte so ma yɛ. Meda mo ase pii onyame nhyira mo asɛmpa nso mekyia atiefoɔ no nyinaa dwumadi a modi ɛboa Ghana.
Atiefoɔ nso so adwo so sɛdeɛ bote no Abrokyire Nkomo no maso gu so a bote no sɛmfo Kwaku Amankwatia akotadwo ɛna medi kyia me sɛ dwuma ne tu ɛna ɛyɛ champion producer ɛwɔ akyire hɔ no mo saa nso so na yɛnua Audrey the coach herself ɛso so ɛwɔ yi yɛnkɔ agyawerɛko yɛmaakɔ aba
Kwaku Amankwatia
na wobaeɛ Ghana te sɛ
Kwaku Ghana deɛ sɛ deɛ gya a wɔkɔɔ 2019 no
Asempa94.7FM
ɛna teɛ
na wode ɛsɛ kado na na do kɔ boxing ring na woma ne kae taba na wobɔ boxing no wobɛdu Friday wobɛyɛ wɔfa ne wo nuaba a ɛda fam ayi a ɛsɛ Sunday na nakasa ano ayi nti wobɛsɛ akɔwae
ɛnya hwee
yɛfɛ bi gye si deɛ papa sɛ two voice yi watuti bebree yɛtie Jacqueline so voice yi na agya mokrata asɛ bi mo makɔgye abrɔfo passport yɛsɛ bɛtua 150 but most of mo kyerɛ sɛ bɛdi ɛwɔ mo passport no ɛyɛ Ghana di ɛna place of birth no so yɛde Ghana ne hyɛ mu despite sɛ kuta ɛyɛ foreign passport yɛkyerɛ baabi a wo ɛti ka nana ɛne ne mpanyinfoɔ so ɛhwɛ hɔ na sɛ 150 no sɛ mo ka ho so so a woma mo aso nti na mpanyinfoɔ tie ɔba bɛkasa yɛtie wei
mede Jacqueline mewɔ Amsterdam mede amasɛm ketewa bi a meka ne sɛ Ghanaians sɛ yɛwɔ akwantuo mu yɛboa ɔman Ghana paa nti sɛ kɔba nse a na ɛha adwen mebɛ ɛpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ Ghana ma stop no almost 2 weeks in debi ɔne me ko why because yɛkeka COVID test ne nyinaa bɔ mu a ɛne ne ɛsese kura Holland aban so de aba sɛ wo furu plane a 4 hours time wobɛyɛ na it's getting to almost 500 and 600 euros a very huge amount nti na nado on consider so what the test na no aha ansa ne afuru plane di a nka yɛduru a ɔmeɛnkɔ ɛnte saa so koraa di a on the onsanye another test no the same OG was 450 no only young Ghanaians nso a ikita foreign passport no so be because we remember example back na chiba wo US ɔwɔ nkwala 6 enye COVID year na nkɔpɛ so odo ɔmo nyinaa ba Ghana na sɛ wo ba betua yɛfa ne sɛ ɔmbɛwie ne nyinaa kwala bia kɔ ne ba $500 a nkwala 6 ne ku ka ho ɔno so ka ho nipa 8 ɛkyɛ sɛ in a way ne yɛpamo Ghana for si yɛnka akwantuo ne sister wɔ New Zealand ɔne ne ma 5 ɔmo anyin ebi koraa wɔwɔ we decided say ɔmo nim Ghana they are losing the culture of Ghana no and yɛn nyinaa yɛ Ghana. We even bought our ticket last year March and our COVID by New Zealand and Australia they are very strict COVID and also so say sika bebree tinana don't consider 24 no let's say was for no do almost 50 yes only 50 nibi so want to meet your mukra only 50 nibi let us yes you won't hurry we so na some kakra me person me ditujwa me di Jacqueline no selbonsu e wo Holland me ti Amsterdam na me shramo na me kamo ho no mo dwuma pa mo ye amen
Zayako gena waka fa
Yo Kwaku Amankwatia a tifo a ena nwumre omo iti Abrokyire Nkomo na Amsterdam for Rotterdam Den Hague for ya mamu nyina ajo e huson for economic sector of my Ghana Kwaku Amankwatia no said ya makane nyina but nyame anu ne ya kakra So ya say Omaya Timono na Omanpay Becasa na say needs of help or maybe he said Nipa Ghana for Ibi or Dobi Simbi. So or the Ghana for Simbi. And say about what Baba drew with the exception of COVID here. You say, I'm not going to be a Abrokyire, a Baba solidity for Sika. I mean, if you know, it would go to time. It would go to Sika and all my holding at the Boa party. But the moment a party in the party, no, or a power, no. Let's have a depending now. Not as many as I don't so, ya, papa. Ya. So, what you share to say. And you may be a Tiaco, so parties in paying for the crown, maybe you are my ambassadors, Romo Bahom now, or Moon Fee, a Ghana for no, and send you a name per se, but a very or Tiaka. So, Womuba, Moon Fee, almost 20 part of crown, and Shaka say, oh, if you are buying a policy, and I must want to have an idea, an idea, and I must more. If you see that, so, a home high commissioner between Baba, but now, ma'am, on to be consulate and then you pick up from Holland. So, and I thought about the government to say, near the Wabum. Say, $150 committee by Kwaku you know, a program. Emma, and no national, the Kwaku can say, Scana is okay. Emma, even the parliamentarians, no. Opposition parties, only I didn't say a 2 hand yanke so. If you need a bonfire to science on the baba. Sanang to Sona Papa Bar, Yachet, a Sikadamu, Niansa. Yes, so will be on all your equatini, or your gun in me, no fair quart country, no $50. Now, what will your gun in ya? Who could have got a passport or woman on in our balance or also $50? You know, what we are going to do, work with your passport, and your choice of free party army do for time. Asempa94.7FM. Not a dear, you been to know Kwaku, even I have a boy with Bushani, who could be the other Sidama, Bushani, the Abano, Sidai, and Matt Ghana so and Trem. As compared to Abrokyire, Abana or Holland, in the Sidai, and Manipano, Roma High. I had no Abana, yes, sir, and Quadana, Yabomu, Yakonia, Kwaku, Piscania, the boy and Bushiano. So, meaning now, oh, brothers, so I assign a Joe Sescano. Kwaku the frustration a woman. Me, see, I'm a Vagana. Me, but I'm a pure online. A healthcare, a health information, young online. And my last week, about agree and how much some at airport for. Because you're huge, hour honor. Mostly, social distancing. Social distancing was not working at the airport, right from a slow fitting and a mono, now baby, COVID, you know, social distance is not working. But what about the social distance working? It's not working. What the iPad, Maku 4, and I'm the Ababa 12, I'm for Nipa saying, and Obohan and Nikolai, my job is no iPad and what actually. Frustration. But you are 50. I said, Bibia Crano Craco, but I'm going to make us oh, here, Monos Crano, Moya Day, Montreal, Mossos, Moon, Canamwa, but I am so young, baby. So, you ain't 150. Now, we all look at Ghana pass or $50. I mean, is it discriminatory? I didn't think there's some Rana, you can be a independent between Musa.
I don't know. Yo.
I'm consider because Morocco focus at double nationality and how almost.
Yeah. It's
Corona test. Price na aba ye tia 150 ye na ekuta German passport ne kuta ye tia 150 and na wo mo kuta Ghana passport ne tia 50 e mo ya pa estra mala mo to so ma ne na Ghana fo efi say ye te hen do kuta German passport o do kuta Ghana passport ye nyina ye try abua Ghana efi obi anya bibi o do be fi ente mo mo de na mo mo ye na ekuta German passport na mo to so kakra mai e da mo as
yes, and ye mame penny, Germany on the city.
Papa, within the matter one, aka only matter in Stuttgart. And so $150 and one son and person make a cry. And they say, Omodi, Saturday towards a kita foreign passport. Yentia, Sa 159. And she say, a more yaka crash, say, a too much my. Sisiano, Yari Wama, Babia, Edding. Yenyuma nyinaa yɛ asɛsɛ ne adeɛ ɔho sika so ho ayɛ den ama yɛn nyinaa nti no yɛkita nkwara bɛyɛ 2-3 na yɛde ɔmo ba Ghana na yɛbɛtua saa sika no a papa ɛmu ɔden because sisia no visa koraa kɔ soro visa nkoa no nam over €100 ɔho ansa na wo ne nkwalaa mmiɛnsa ɛkɔtua visa na mo asa bɛtua $150 na ɛyɛ too much nti yɛbɛsrɛ aban sɛ no deɛ ɔnte so ma yɛn sɛ Probeno, Obechemu Mienu, Obeyan half na dia Maya onion sa, and now say, so Mamma so yet 15 say, Bukita Ghana pass, and I say the other one. And so you okay, I will say, at least almost to consider, yes, you kita foreign passport. So, into medical camera can say, cano a more ding into Nana and share, no one to so my near so young home high. Need to remember Ghana, and yes, I did. I just say,
Asempa94.7FM. Munka kwenti mami yo munka yenti nana masusu bibika nana etio.
But only I make us say from the mama Ghana and war Germany, Holland. Young papa to go for then I beg you, peace in so you best say you be brave when you supposed to do. Now, no, because I know, or my yet say. So Ghana corona test yeah will be Ghana PBR €50. I also you could a foreign person yeah the because we €150. Let's say Papa for a dog Bema tie. Who say you could a foreign person and so yeah Ghana for let's say any say on consider you so it's a mere make us say I'm see a friend and army. You could come online, we could come really pay saying for foreign pass, Papa, you could follow. Says because of me bagana. Says he come away, Sabri Corona time, he may make up of fun, and some make a ticket to depends. It's a say, Papa, I could follow. Any MPC, any vice, any MP from Penny 4. If all no kind of consider, you think 50 be like a car continue. So only 150 anybody, and any of the other can say, so the car continue her. Hey, just €50. So visa, acquire 120 as 130. No one found the Indepone and who stamps are coming. Now says you found the Corona test and switching this via Mamma yet dear Papa. Just a one dear Gamma. Into Monka say, you say your Ghana ma, and maybe a chain money for China. Because China and Bezel found for the Seneca visa. A brand do was a Papa visa. Now, Ubiquita a German P. It's a German P. Where China need. Sika ya je no ya je ne tse de ya je China ni ya nye so kura because the passport no kura no ya sure ni wo say we China ni into one
Asempa94.7FM.
this passport kura a foreign p no ya mani tia China for visa fee it's na na pufu alo for ni tunya me page when ni hwe nyame so mo hu ye mobo ni aka continue nyame come on bye bye.
So, about your last Lydia, just because you are fair, you call about paying and Casaso or Sunshine Radio and Wokolon. It's ye, Mammy Lydia.
Actually, the Lydia, Miss Casafi Germany, maybe some question, maintain your massacre. You catch up as a Woko Ghana, I buy see Wukita, we Ghana, Nina Wukita Ghana passport, and I was, I'll bet you have $50. And patrol me a Ghana ni. My feeling self-declaration, dear no. Second one, yes, Katiano. No, who feel forms now $150 now ne wasu. Who feel your pay into $150 ne woho. And patrol me a Ghana ni na. Forms normal sister ya $150 in the woho no. Kwambe su na me first one. Miss me to me out here $50 no. Patrol me question miss me di ma no.
Your mammy question, no, ebu da hokama. Nemo, I've never been chance on the 8th. A best chance on the 8th, which is Monday. It is a old filly forward before the Monday in the year, old price in an old year. Until say, dear, with date, you know, a year after the 8th, you know, and maybe I will be 50, you know. The man will answer no. Because I never shall say on the 8th, which is Monday. You're quite human also. Now, Mama Josephine Aquaba, Mama, you're more Aquaba. Now, I put to say, Obia Joseph, Obia Joseph.
Yes,
Amen. Amen. Mama Joe, a Sunshine Radio, a walk Cologne, see you, and Ora Record, so a year. Cable Radio, Asempa94.7FM. 2 top radio stations. You know, you know, be a juma. Mammy, Ora Quackaby. Then also Kafaho.
Yo, Bemena, Yada, Sigidi cannot show Pipia with me or my Ghana, and Yamanoniha. Na Yadamoso, Asempa, as the sum of Pata, when you have to na more by 7 years, Eddie. Now, mechanics, what is a brain in Ye papa no bebre ye the graduation watch and the person yeah self share near my cause the covid by I'm off bebre to my say I bebre tiffy as they will be so pressed upon you know ye be best ye never share busia so and you know I covid by yeah Abrokyire for donations I hope do I ye the bread radio stations I hope do ye ankasa ye cry you see mo you're supposed to a lot. And the COVID by yen and $150 no question in the middle for too much. So yen and the braca, if you could unclam 9, if you could new a kitami and son. Not said the almost body $600 for airport and son almost take it off extra and son almost visa or Kwaku a whole lot other it's too much money.
Mid year 9 or Hanover. Over to Miss Rami.
Hey. Oh, when you say bread, I cassava another dance of Quado, about power. That's what you're afraid to have with your thing. You're quite your problem. You're a passport to a problem. You're the care about Ghana, your problem. Yes, the young man only have for passport anyway. Oh, almost forget to say, you get a German book in the British PA, if you are US monarch account. Almost say, stop it a fraction. And you're going to the person on my day. What I say, never be here. You call me a flower in ye. I want you to do my son of the university more than based on some years or if you're not money.
Asempa94.7FM.
You will go for 1 year, Mum, 7 years, Cataraction. There's a person you when you know, catch a secret Abrokyire crack and you know, yes, your coconut, yeah. And a question, you know, money and you have another Danko Fuado. Said it was taken off one summer, and I'm on it for your won't see. Now on to so one for me in United States, where you to where you cocoa, where you brown, and also where you yin $50. You know, then and you see an fast with him. Because my mother said, remember, the Nebuchadnezzar in a bar, my number for Abrokyire for this purpose on Bahari to say. Oh, see a bomb price of COVID from. Now, almost the problem, yeah, man. Yeah, but it's a hundred. The better question is not question. I would rather be Pananiachi. It's not other than Kwaku Amankwatia, you won't be mine.
Yo. Mammy Josephine, a CEO of the Sunshine Radio, a walk alone, Germany. Get a was the way. Next week, I'm here, do my that's how to work. Is that record? Is that record? Okay. I think so. Only in our lines, no, every show. And edition, you know, but we na Facebook for so a comment about the young can't be a ma or more. You know, me and Edijumano. You know, money. You can say, you did here, Nova Bibri, a bit catchy. Nana, after the Supreme. I say, on this year, career was a nice job. I could do keeping up. Greetings to my pastor, Apostle Philip Doku of the United Church of Christ, Disciples, ECCD. Godfred Abdo Ose, I could do a good job. Abigail Jima Santos was a good evening, I could tell you. Michael Anissa Austin, greetings, watching live from Abrokyyire downtown. And Ama Enchiwa Akunta. God bless you for helping them. You have them from their big problem. I always said your program has helped us a lot. We salute you, say. I'm not sorry for you. New ones know you know, Bama. Godfred also say, Godfred Ado say, all the Ghanaian foreign office should be closed down. Do you have, or they have let Ghanaian citizens down? Oh, okay. And I'll let him down. I can watch you now. 5 senior and Kofi Preman or say the NDC initially. Oh, watch out. Politicians say. Solo Juma or say why we black Africans have problems helping ourselves. White leaders don't treat their citizens like that. Poor Africans go through so many difficulties abroad and home. Africa must help themselves. Thank you, brother. Yes, your boy, Appear resource secretary, Adum online and Major online. Okay, now why? I don't understand why Africans are fighting for common passport renewals. Solo Juma and the Dubai. Joel or say Akuta, you are doing a great job from Listowell. Abrokyire I'm watching. Hey, my own sister, Oslo, and also the free bar. See, good work, Joe. I try after work. Okay. We'll call Thomas to say Professor Akuntejo. Professor with us to say we are heavy. Why? Also, you're heavy. It's Frank also so. I know you say Professor. 150 is very expensive and we Asempa94.7FM. Why should they charge in foreign currency? So maybe I will feel bad. You see this maybe in the home. Mudra Bontiana Mopudi, I'm telling you this for taxi and yes, international currency. I will wait for 2-3 years before I visit Ghana, before I use to visit, also before not about the beer. Okay. Good job, Akuntejo. Greetings from Frankfurt. Dick Gobi. No, Kobe, yeah. Harrison Amwakwando say, I'm watching you live from Ajumako Enyam Isiam. Okay. And you're this year. Na Nyamiya Duma. Next week, Akuntejo, the Unidom, multimedia, it is say news about 6 to 7. Next week, you better news 6 to 7. You better start a program no 7. Near 8. It's more no. The time in the free a year more 7 no ako 8. Say 1 hour difference watch it. The Ghana time no a 7 to 8. It's Abrokyire Nkomo Emre no asesa. Na what you move obenya in Kaibo Bibre na me na machine so. Na wa ma me tie and can say Akunta Monday. Next week Saturday you better start at 7. Akosia part of Akunta, God bless you for good work. But the 150 is too much. You're not normally pay 40. The program back on my Minister for Aviation, Director of Port, I don't know, Airport, Director of Airport, Mr. Kwaku, the back home na and pay for na money pay for Kasa. If you are next week, na the Kasa. It is what Asempa FM.